In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to see and clear your Snapchat call history in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. First, open up your Snapchat app. Now, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Next, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to open settings. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you find the Clear Data section. Tap on Clear Data. And here you'll see several options. What you need to do is tap on Clear Conversations. Here, you'll see a list of all your recent conversations. This includes your Snapchat call history. If you want to delete any specific call or chat, just tap the X or clear next to that conversation. You'll get a confirmation pop-up. Just tap on Clear to delete that specific conversation or call record. And that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.